Okay, welcome to my recording of unboxing the new USB-C to 3.5 mm headphone jack adapter. Well, me, my mom, and my family, well, my brother and my sisters went to Walmart for something, and well, then I already showed her the adapter, like how does it look like, the USB-C to 3.5 mm headphone jack adapter. Well, it's in this box here. Oops, hold on. It's somewhere here. Alright. Yeah, we'll put my buttons here. And this is the this here. I cannot speak. I might read this thing with the seeing AI app. So let me open it on my phone. Oops! Don't let it fall. It just fell off. I don't know what happened here, but anyway, let's see here. Open seeing AI. Yeah, I believe it's this that I've well that me and my mom. No, I'm wrong. Yeah, I think. Look, I know this sounds confusing, but me and my mom went to again me and my mom went to Walmart. My family, including my brother and my sisters. Yeah, again, I know I meant to repeat, but yes, I bought this. Actually, I think I did bought this, for this because I think there was this person, and also I apologize for getting too close to this microphone. Well, anyway, I think I showed my mom the I showed her the adapter to know how does it look like. Well, yes, it does. And now I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open this thing, see how well this looks like. I know you may not see this on camera because I'm recording on my on my uh, stream 3. So let's see how this thing goes. I can open this up here. I think there is a tape on this. I don't know if there's a tape on this one. Yep, I think there is a tape. Can I open it? I think there's a tape on this one. I don't know if there's a tape. Oh, come on. Can I get it off here? Come on. We got this. Oh, I think there's a tape on this one. Well, I'm going to pause the recording, so I will be back. Well, you think it was something like a tape on the box? Well, it was nuts. Because if it was, yeah, I'm like, oh no, I cannot open the thing. But now that I got that thing open and well, just something, and I had to put that, I had to put that in the drawer because of this. So why not just show how does this look like here? Now what I'm gonna do is, let's see. I think what I can do is, you have to go underneath it. I think they can go underneath right here. Oops. This thing here. Oh, okay. I think underneath this right here. Can you just get off of it? Let's see. Oh, come on, you got this. There you go. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I know, right? It's more standard. Wow, this is more standard. Wow. Again, you may not see the no you may not see this on camera, but this is standard. Wow. I love it. The one that I had to remove is this that's I cannot speak. The one that I had to remove is this that is protected on the thing. So I'm gonna again pause the recording. So I'll be back. Okay, now that I have this already clean because I had this protection thing too. Well, again, you may not see this on camera because I'm recording on my Stream 3. So yeah. So, but I'd say this. This is nice. Wow, it's nice adapter. No, I will I will give a sound test. See how well this sounds like on this device. So again, I'm gonna pause the recording and and just I'll let y'all know what like how do y'all think about this sound on the USB-C AUX adapter. So I'm gonna pause and I will be back. Well, I will I will be back after this sound test.
Are you connecting a pair of headphones? If you switch devices, you can update this selection in the Sounds Haptic section of settings. Other device, button. Headphones, button. Other device, button. Headphones, button. Headphones, button. Other device, button. Headphones, button. Tab bar, more, tab, 3 of tab bar, more, tab, Seeing AI. Talk YouTube, Zany, Short, Snakes Ladders. Moises, Sound Echo. Send. Seeing AI. Talking Typer, YouTube. Seeing AI. Talking Typer. Seeing AI. Talking YouTube. Zane. Short. Snake. Moist. Sound. Memo. White. Search. Doc. Search. Page. I'm Google. Settings. Settings. Dick. Kevin. Air. What. Blue. Set. Purse. Bat. Gen. Accessibility. But. Accessibility. Purse. Vision. Voiceover. On. Voice. Tap. Double. Learn. What's. Voice. Speaking. Adjust. Speed. Braille. Voiceover. Braille. Braille. Voice. Verbosity. Audio. Button. Voiceover sounds. Audio ducking. Off. Voiceover sounds haptics. Button. sounds, head, sound, haptics, haptic intent, interaction, item screen, item, navigation, rows 30, detect, quick nav, rows 31, rows 4, auto, system, head, rows 55, folder, keyboard disappeared, button, audio, back button, voiceover, auto selects, during audio, send to any external, speech channels, USB-C audio, heading, selected, USB-C audio left, selected, USB-C audio right, selected, USB-C audio left, voiceover, verbosity, accessibility, back button, access, settings, button, settings, accessibility, button, iMovie, search, page 1 of 3, adjustable, messenger, page, grade, weather, fitness, files, browse, back, on my iPhone, more, button, operate, bubbles 0, page, free, garage, I am, Mr., Mrs., music, folder, 060 JVI tab bar, Windows 8, FTAI, page, VDJ, page 24 of 27, and TMI, tough, unexpected, and tough, till I, the next, that rain David Cutter music 11th, on my iPhone, back, to play, button, speech off. Speech list button. Home. Files. Screen locked.
So, what do y'all think? Also, I apologize for the background noise of the alarm, so don't mind that. So, what do y'all think? Well, basically, what happened is that I've connected this this adapter to my phone, and it gave me a pop-up saying, "Oh, do you want to use?" I think it said something like, "Oh, do you want to use headphones or something?" I don't know what it said, but let me know in the comments down below. I think nothing. No, what I did. Look, I meant to repeat, but what I did was I selected headphones because it's the audio that I've wanted. The problem that I found, it will not pick up the microphone. So I don't know if there's something going on, but hey, sorry, I meant to repeat. But hey, at least the audio it sounds good. Yeah, I don't know if that can pick up the microphone. And again, I'm getting too close to this microphone of the AirPods. So yeah, I'm like, hey, it's amazing. I love the audio. Yeah, it sounds good. I'll give a score of 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 because it cannot pick up the microphone. Like if I'm saying something to Siri and then something, I'm like, oh no, you can't. Oh well. But again, it sounds good. I just played a short song that I recently I recently recorded with me and my friend. Well, remember the school. Well, remember we are in the south side. We are in a south side thing that I've did since I don't know. I think it was like 2 years ago. But anyway, that's all I got. And also let me disconnect this off of my phone because why not? Or actually, why not put my headphones on this thing? So give me a second. So again, don't mind the alarm sound. Yeah, if you can tell, if I or not can tell, no, if you can hear the adapter that will click in, like if you're gonna click the the cable into the mm, I meant to repeat. No, please. Sorry about that, viewers. You can hear the clicking of the adapter when connecting the cable of my headphones, or the audio the audio cable that I've used to, or just to show a sound test. Well, that's all I got, and I apologize for repeating too much because of this. I don't know why. Maybe I was just, I don't know, excited because of this. So yeah, I don't know. But that's all I got of the USB-C audio. Yeah, I went to the voiceover settings and went to the audio, and yes, it is using USB-C audio. I may test this on my computer too. So, well, for now, that's all I got. This is KR21 Marito, and I'm signing off. Peace. Oh, and more to come later.